Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see if my Blue Jays show up. Peanuts. Uh-oh, there go. That looked like darkness. Or was that Poindexter? I hear the birds. They came out here. There we go. Damn, I scared them away. Blue Jays. Oh, there go Julio. Here comes Julio. He done found the nuts on the ground. There you go. He came up to the door today. He came in the house. I told him to cut that out. I don't see my birds now. There they go. Who the heck is he? You never seen that dark one? And who the heck is you? There they go. That bird fever. Oh man, who's that? It's Poindexter. Poindexter chased the Julio? Unbelievable. Blue Jays doing their thing. Look. That Julio's still in the grass. As long as he run out, he comes up to the door and knocks. Everybody else just getting their groove on. There go the woodpecker. There go my Blue Jays. Who's that dude in the dark suit right there? Okay. Oh, here comes somebody. See him in the street. Look at him. He chasing Julio. Ah, I can't believe it. Well, Julio eating. He said, I'll get out your way. Boy, how things change. One day Julio chased them, and now they just, well, Cardinal, see him? Oh, my goodness. I'm getting the birds. I've been happy with the Blue Jays and the woodpecker. There's a cardinal in the tree. There he is, dagnabbit, trying to blow up on him. Look, I got some seed that cardinal might like. He might come down for that. All right. There's Julio out there. To hear the birds are still howling. I got to set up a better food program. Okay, they're up in the tree.